Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on a project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VAT and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. We are excited to share. Details will be released in the coming weeks. Vechain, ready for mass adoption with our real-world ready solutions such as toolchain, battle-tested blockchain and chip technologies, close working relationships with certification and auditing giants, plus our establishment of compliance and regulatory standards both in China and Europe. Vechain is positioned as the preeminent blockchain network for the approaching wave of adoption in front of us. The addition of a stablecoin to our capabilities opens up a whole new world of options for the network. We are very excited to witness this next year play. We hope you will join us for the journey. Active in the Russian market, according to David Schwimmer, CEO of the London Stock Exchange Group. So far, most crypto exchanges have avoided dropping all of their Russian customers despite concerns expressed by the US and European decision makers that Vladimir Putin's regime could use crypto as a vehicle to dodge some of the sanctions. However, this short-term strategy could become increasingly difficult to maintain, as crypto exchanges are heading towards a fork in the road which is likely to force them to either follow in the footsteps of major global financial players, or fully embrace independence from these players, Schwimmer said at a conference organized by the Futures Industry Association in Boca Raton, Florida. If that industry is seen as a bad actor. On the implementation of, or the avoidance of, sanctions in terms with what's going on with Russia, I think that would have a long-term impact in terms of how that industry is perceived, he said, as quoted by Reuters, calling it a watershed moment. Some senior industry representatives, such as crypto exchange Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, have expressed doubts that there was a high risk of Russian oligarchs using cryptosis to avoid the imposed sanctions. Because it is an open ledger, trying to sneak lots of money through crypto would be more traceable than using United States dollars cash, art, gold, or other assets, he said. At the same time, most exchanges admit they do not plan to ban Russian users. Price React's crypto hardware wallet has announced support for Cardano, ADA, after many years of not supporting the digital asset. As Cardano has grown, and with the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, on the network, there has been more demand for the cryptocurrency to be added to the wallet, which is one of the most popular crypto hardware wallets in existence. The announcement had come at a time when the digital asset was in need of a boost, and it provided that. Trezor, which boasts millions of users worldwide, will bring more storage capabilities to the ADA community through this, providing a more secure and private method of storing and transacting the cryptocurrency. It comes with the latest updates to the Trezor suite that was announced earlier this week. Cardano, ADA, price reacts following the announcement of the addition of Cardano support to the Trezor hardware wallet. There had been some movement recorded by the digital asset. The very noticeable spike had occurred just after the announcement had been made public, but the digital asset found it hard to hold this point. Instead, there was a subsequent downtrend that brought the price back down. However, the momentum would prove to not be dead as the recovery would pick up the next day. By Thursday, Cardano had recovered to as high as $0.857 from its trending week low of 78 cents. After touching this point, the digital asset would return back down, only to begin trading at a higher low. It settled above $0.8 as of the early hours of Friday, and continues to trend in this region. What the indicators say both the short and long-term forecasts for Cardano are not too positive. At the current price, the digital asset is trading well below its 50 and 100-day moving averages. Both of these determine if investors are willing to purchase a digital asset at a lower or higher price, and right now, investors coming into the cryptocurrency seem to want to purchase ADA at low prices. Trading competitions on Osinex, Vechain and Vechain with VUS prizes to celebrate the launch of VUS, beginning week commencing 21 March, a series of trading competitions will take place. First, Vechain's native CEX, Osinex, will host a 2-week event consisting of farming and trading events, with VUS rewards for participants. Vechain's first X, will hold a 2-week event following Osinex and Vechain. The latest X to join the fray will follow after that. More details on trading pairs and competition rules will be announced by each respective exchange in due course. VOOS stablecoin launch, the first step of many of course. The launch of the VOOS stablecoin is just the first step on a long path. To ensure a prosperous journey ahead, the Vechain Foundation intends to support community developers with the tools and tech they need to help them thrive in the future. We will soon announce the details of a hackathon designed to help provide a robust developer environment in pursuit of this goal. We also have some additional exciting initiatives underway that Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027,